Hello. 3, 2, 1. Look that way for me. Awesome. We'll let these guys go.
Okay.
And then definitely need to take a portrait. Close
Okay.
up, defo. Look that way for me.
Look over there.
Wow. Chin up. Awesome. And then look into the camera for me. Oh my goodness. Honestly. That's insane.
Oh, love.
How'd you feel? What do you think of them?
Good, yeah. Should we do another one?
Okay, what do you want to change?
Okay, I just feel like I look a bit awkward.
Okay. Okay, would you like to look... Okay, awkward. Let's see, how can we make it... Okay, let's go onto this fence thing, and you can just have a lean.
Okay.
Like a natural lean, as if you were just chilling, waiting for a bus kind of thing.
Okay.
We'll see what it brings us.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Just like, I don't know.
Feel it out.
Yeah.
pretend like your date's on their way, and you want to look like you've been there all the time.
Okay.
So you're just like, awesome. I like that. Okay, now head still facing that way,
Yeah.
but now eyes to the camera. Let's see what that looks like. I like that. And then cheeky smile. Sweet. I like them. I like all of them. But most people just don't like how they look.
Yeah, maybe just because it's like a photo of me. Oh, I like that one.
Like
one.
looking off the side.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
let's do more of that.
Okay.
I think if you sat on, what if you like sat on this ledge and then did the looking away thing as well? I think that might give us the perfect combo. Okay, yeah, so now look that way. Okay, I think I know what it is.
Yeah.
You've got to...
Yeah, just...
There you go. There you go.
Okay.
Forget that I'm taking the photo.
Okay.
Just think in the moment.
Okay. Right.
All right, 3, 2, 1. I like that.
And then like the pants over.
Yeah. Whatever feels natural. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Look down there. Sweet. And then smiley smile. Brilliant.
Cool.
Yeah.
Oh, I like that one.
Awesome.
Oh, I like that,
I like
one
that
too.
one.
Yeah. I like that one too.
So, same in this position.
Yeah.
And then just looking straight into the camera. Juicy stuff.
Okay.
Okay, chin up. Okay, 3, 2, 1. And then pretend I said something hilarious. Nah, you're really good at that, to be fair. Awesome.
Nice. Oh, I like that one. I look cool in that one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
Cool,
Well,
okay.
I'm assuming you want me to send them over.
Yeah, absolutely.
I'll show you my Instagram.
Okay,
and then you
cool.
can just shoot me a DM.
Yeah.
Just say guy in black coat.
Okay.
And then I'll send them over when they're edited.
Cool. Okay.
All good?
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Have a good one. See ya.